Indian cheesy peas or matar paneer. This is tomato based. I recently just made one which was coconut based. It's absolutely delicious. I love this so much. It's very, very easy to make. Vegetarian, of course. Welcome back to How to Cook Right. Okay, let's have a look here, shall we? So I've got here 200 grams of paneer. Now this was frozen. You can get it fresh if you're lucky enough. You can get it in a can even. I've seen it in a can. Wouldn't recommend that. But yeah, this is frozen 200 grams. What I've done is I popped that into some cold water, a couple of minutes. It's ready to use. 2 tomatoes, cut nice and small. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Couple of cups there of frozen peas, or roughly the same. All 3 of them are roughly the same amounts, aren't they? Again, frozen. Popped them into some cold water, couple of minutes, drained them off, ready to go. 1 onion cut nice and small. Fresh chili, entirely up to you how much you want to use. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. 3 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. I've got some fresh cilantro there, or coriander, whatever you call that. Here we go, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. And our spices. Always call these the big 4 of your regular. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. 2 teaspoons each of chili powder, coriander, turmeric, and cumin. And just there, I've got 100 ml of coconut milk. We're going to start this off with some oil, and of course, we're going to be adding some salt. So I've got some oil here that I'm heating up. I'm on a high heat at the moment. I'm using sunflower, but you could use something different like mustard oil, or if you wanted, coconut oil. Just dropped in the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds, and just a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse the oil, give it a nice flavor, so don't skip this. Only takes a few seconds, you know. Next up, we're going to drop in the onion. Stay on this high heat and just go for 2 minutes. Keep it moving. So that's just a couple of minutes to get it on its way. Let me add some salt before I forget, because I'm really good at doing that. And then 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste into the mix. To that, we're going to add those 2 regular size tomatoes, cut nice and small. And like I say, try and use a nice ripe one. We want it to cook down, you know. We're going to add our fresh chili, again up to you how much you want to put in, and let's just go for about 4 to 5 minutes. What we're going to hope for is the tomatoes break down a little bit, give off some moisture. Give it a stir every now and then. We are on a high heat. Okay, got a little bit of moisture from the tomato. Now what I want to do now is I want to keep cooking this tomato for about another 5 minutes. I want it to break down a little bit more, stay on the high heat and keep it moving. Okay, it's just really cooked out those tomatoes that last 4 or 5 minutes. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop in our frozen peas. We're going to add our spices. Let's take one more look. 2 teaspoons each of chili. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder. Coriander, cumin, and turmeric. In it goes. Let's give that a mix. Let's add some water now. Three minutes, stay on the high heat, give it a stir every now and then. That is looking beautiful. Next up, we're going to add in our paneer or cheese, 200 grams of that I've got here. I'm also going to now add 100 ml, which is not a lot at all, of coconut milk, just to kind of smooth that out. Stay on the high heat, 3 to 4 more minutes, we've nearly done it. Okay, Off goes the heat. Let's get some lovely fresh cilantro, coriander in the mix. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. I'm super happy. That looks absolutely delicious. Let me get that on the table. And there you go, beautiful. So that one is tomato based with a touch of coconut. I've recently made one which is completely coconut based. I love both of them, to be honest. Hope you enjoy that. Keep well, keep safe. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.